everyone, and welcome to Weight Loss Wednesday. I'm Chef AJ, the author of The Secrets to Ultimate Weight Loss, and this is where I show you recipes for healthy, permanent, and sustainable weight loss. And today I'm going to do a recipe from page 214 called Chipotle Roasted Red Bell Pepper Sauce. This sauce is very versatile, and I'm going to show you one way to use it and talk about a few other ways you can use it. But this recipe is actually part of another recipe in the book that I will at some point make a video and demonstrate called the McDougall Goldhammer Cauliflower Sweet Potato Risotto Stacks. It's a mouthful. It was created during an Iron Chef competition a few years back at the True North Health Center. It was myself against the wonderful executive chef, Chef Ramses Bravo, and the judges were Kathy Fisher, Mary McDougall, and Dr. Ellen Goldhammer, and so that's why it was named after them. So I had to make something with the ingredients that they chose, and I came up with this sauce. And it actually is a really good sauce on its own that you can use, we're gonna show today, over Zoodles, which are zucchini noodles, but I've used it as a dipping sauce for air fries. It's good on baked potatoes. So anywhere you need a sauce, this would be great. It's good on vegetables as well. Very simple ingredients. It does call for roasted red bell peppers. I don't know how to use the gas stove. I have had electric for 59 years. I cannot figure this thing out. I mean, I can cook, but I don't know how to do that thing where you hold the pepper in front of it. And I haven't really been able to get to stores to buy the ones in jars, which are perfectly fine, but you might want to soak them a bit first to get the salt off, but no big deal. So I'm just going to be using a fresh red bell pepper. And then I have a shallot. Shallot is a cross between an onion and garlic. I have sun-dried tomatoes. I have the kind without any oil or salt. Always see if you can find sulfite-free, especially if you have asthma or allergies or you get migraines, because those preservatives are not so great. I've got a little bit of unsweetened non-dairy milk. And I've got my spices, which are smoked paprika and chipotle powder. I'm going to put it on the blender and blend. It smells really, really good. I don't know if you can see it. So depending on what I'm using it for is going to depend on how thick I want it. But since I'm using it sort of as a pasta sauce right now, I'm going to add just a quarter cup of water. I could have used non-dairy milk, but I didn't want to open the fridge. And need a little bit more. Sometimes when you don't blend a lot in a blender, it's a lot harder than if you do blend a larger batch. You know, in some ways this is like a ketchup, so you could use this as a ketchup, especially over bean burgers or beanless bean burgers. But I'm going to use it over zucchini noodles. And this is a spiralizer I got from Tupperware. It's a pretty cool one because I like how it attaches securely to the counter and it doesn't move. So I don't peel my zucchini because they're organic, but you certainly could. Remember, there's fiber and nutrients in the skin. If you're serving this to somebody and you want to fool them, you might want to peel it because then you'll get the white instead of the green. But since there's nobody here to fool, I'm just going to use that. And then you just have to secure it on the blade and then push it in. You gotta lock it and then you twist. And then you get these beautiful oodles of Zoodles. And you can do this with butternut squash. You can do this with sweet potatoes. You can do this with beets. Spiralizers are great. I don't recommend the really inexpensive ones. I think it's called the Vegetti. That's like $8. Everybody cuts themselves with that. And so then what we're going to do is put our sauce over the top. Go. This probably could have been a little bit thinner, but even so, it's gonna be delicious. And there you have it. Slightly spicy, slightly sweet from the smoked paprika. Very easy to make and very delicious. So I hope you try this sauce, and if you do, I hope you'll like it. Thanks so much for watching another episode of Weight Loss Wednesday. I'm Chef AJ, and I make healthy, taste delicious so that you can have both the health and the body you so richly deserve. Take care.